In today's video, we'll look at what types of variables are compatible with the calculation of mode. And let's first remember the definition of the mode. The mode is the most frequent value. Okay? So most frequent value. So if I have 3, 5, 5, 7, 10, so the same data set as before, I can see that 5 is the only value that occurs twice. So my mode would be 5 in this case. Okay. Now, could I use this with a categorical variable? So let's say religion again. Okay, so for a categorical variable, can we use the mode? Well, the mode would just be the most frequent religion that is observed in our data set. So that we can definitely do. The fact that there's no ordering between the different categories doesn't really matter. We can say what is the religion we observe most often in our data set. So that would definitely work. Now, for an ordinal variable, so let's say satisfaction, the same is true. We can definitely figure out what level of satisfaction is the most common. You know, are people very happy or not very happy? And what is the category that is most common in the data set? So that would also work for an ordinal variable. And for an interval variable, let's say the number of children, where there's a clear unit of measurement, that is one child. Well, we can clearly see in our data set, let's say we have data sets of different adults, and we have a variable that is the number of children they have. Well, we can see what number of children is the most common in our data set. So there again, we can calculate the mode. So for the mode, we can use all 3 types of variables. Okay, we can use categorical variables, ordinal variables, and interval variables. For the median, we can only use ordinal variables and interval variables. And for the mean, we can only use interval variables. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll explore under which circumstances could the median be preferable to the mean.